This is going to be a video tutorial on how to disable keyboard sounds on the Opera GX web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Opera GX web browser opened up now. To disable keyboard sounds, by default your keyboard sounds are probably enabled, and if I tap on my keyboard, it makes sounds. To enable or disable those sounds, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper left-hand corner, up to the little red O logo. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the Settings page, the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to go to the GX Features tab. Then on the center pane, right under GX Basics, you want to go down. You got browser sounds right here, keyboard sounds, background music. I'm going to click on keyboard sounds. And then from here, there's a little drop down. You can change the style of the keyboard sounds from here. You can disable the entire thing right here with the toggle if you want to disable it. Now the keyboard sounds are disabled. Or you can enable it, and then you can adjust the volume of the keyboard sounds. But that is how to disable the keyboard sounds in the Opera GX web browser. Thanks for watching.